Hey guys, just want to share something that I've learned recently na when do you tailor fit your application when you are applying for a remote work, no? Kasi, di ba may dalawa tayong pinagkukunan. It's either you go for an agency or you get clients directly. So like, if you go for an agency, I realized na since most of the agencies are pooling, no, and the best thing to do is talagang when you apply there, no, ilagay mo na lahat ng mga experience na meron ka doon sa resume mo. Like, ilagay mo na doon yung parang top 3 roles na pwede mo i-offer sa client mo. Pwede ka maging EA, top number 1 kayo, top number 2, pwede ako maging lead generation, number 3, pwede ako maging social media manager. Tapos ilagay mo lahat ng skills at saka mga tools, lahat ng keywords ilagay mo dyan. Kasi syempre makikipaglaban ka sa mga tao sa pool eh. Pero kung kunwari ikaw ay mag-apply for a specific job post, no, or for a specific client na directly, it's best to tailor fit your profile sa in a way na kung ano yung nasa job description, yun ang ilalagay mo para pag nakita nila yung profile mo, alam nila agad na ikaw yung hinahanap nila, provided totoo na yung mga skills na nilagay mo doon, experience na nilagay mo doon ay totoo. Kasi malalaman naman nila, pag kinausap ka nila, pag binigyan ka na ng trial ng client mo, malalaman nila kung BS yung sinasabi mo, totoo eh. Sa train of thoughts mo, parang pag pinag-explain ka na ng mga strategies na gagawin mo, malalaman nila kung BS yung sinasabi mo o hindi eh, diba? So, yun ang pinagkaiba. If you are applying through an agency and they have like a pool of people, no, then the more skills and experience na may lalagay mo dyan sa portfolio mo or sa resume mo, the more chances of winning. But if you are getting clients directly, mas magandang the more personalized at tailored fit yung application mo, the more mas may chance kang mapansin ni client kasi may specific na sila taong hinahanap, at kung may papakita mo sa kanila na ikaw yung specific na tao na yon, then mas madali kang mahanap ni client na yun. Hope this video helps. Happy weekend. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.